It's really convenient these days. I can call a taxi with my smartphone. Plus, I know the fare up front, so it's reassuring. And I don't even need to speak English or Thai. So convenient.
I am a Japanese resident living in Thailand. I will explain the ride-hailing app Grab from the perspective of someone living in Thailand. The ride-hailing app Grab. Fixed fare in advance. Easy to get a ride. No language barrier. Credit cards are accepted. Here is the content from Grab's homepage. Reasons to recommend Grab's ride-hailing service. Fixed fare in advance. No need to negotiate fares. You'll know the price when you book a ride. Easy to get a ride. Simply select your pickup location from a list. No language barrier. Type in your own language. It will be understood. All messages sent through GrabChat are automatically translated into the local language. Safe and contactless payment. Pay within the app using GrabPay, debit cards, or credit cards. Now, let's actually book a ride using the Grab app on your smartphone. Download the app, and this page will appear. Tap Sign Up at the bottom of the screen. Enter your mobile phone number. You will receive a PIN code via SMS to verify your phone number. Therefore, if you are using a Thai mobile phone, enter your Thai phone number. When this screen appears, hello, where do you want to go? If you are in Thailand, tap Thailand. Tap ride-hailing, taxi. The Grab app offers not only ride-hailing but also food delivery. Choose ride-hailing, taxi. When you tap ride-hailing, taxi, this screen will appear. Enter your destination in the Where To field. You can enter your destination by typing it in or by tapping the map at the top of the screen to select your destination. After entering your destination, this screen will appear. A map from your current location to your destination, and the fare will be displayed. The fare varies depending on the type of vehicle. The pickup location is your current location. The types of vehicles are Grab Taxi, Regular Taxi, Grab Car, Economy, Standard Private Car Ride, Grab Car Plus/Premium, Luxury Car, SUV/Sedan, for a more comfortable ride. Grab Car XL, 6-seater vehicle, ideal for larger groups. Grab SUV, spacious SUV vehicle. Just Grab, nearest available car for the shortest wait time. Grab Van, van for 6 to 10 passengers. Select the type of vehicle, then tap the green Book button at the bottom. When you tap Book, a map will appear. The map will show your current location and the Grab car. The estimated wait time will also be displayed. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the driver's information, including the driver's photo and name, the car's make, color, and license plate number. Check the car's make, color, and license plate number to confirm your Grab car. When you get into the Grab car, a map will appear. The map will show your current location and destination, along with an estimated time to arrival. When you arrive at your destination, you will make the payment. If you have registered a credit card, the payment will be processed automatically. If you haven't registered a card, you will need to pay in cash. Now, let's introduce some useful features. It's convenient to register your credit card and home address in your account. If you register a credit card, payments will be processed automatically. If you register your home address, you won't need to enter it each time you select home as your destination. Registering a credit card. Tap the account icon profile picture at the top of the screen. Next, tap Payment Methods or Add Payment. When you tap it, this screen will appear. Select Credit, Debit Card. Enter your credit card details. Finally, tap the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Your credit card is now registered. Next, let's explain how to register your home address. Tap the account icon profile picture at the top of the screen. Tap Save Places in the middle of the screen. Enter your home address under Home. You can enter it manually by typing or select it by tapping the map icon. Your home address is now registered.
Great job! Well done! The Grab ride-hailing service is very convenient. You can use it anytime, anywhere. You don't need to speak Thai or English to use it.